Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be reviewing one of these popular GE washer dryer sets. Now this is the GFW 650 SPNSN. This awesome color, we got like the tan color here. But let's go into the features of this unit. So first off, from the outside, they're clearly marketing this right now, but this is the ultra fresh vent system. If we look in between the door, if you ever get that mildew, moldy smell, it's got actually holes inside here on both sides. So if you keep that door shut, you're still gonna get some air in the inside and it's not gonna leak out any water. Great for just keeping your washer smelling fresh. It also has your micro brand. They just put a material in here that kind of helps prevent mildew and mold growing inside your little rubber seal here. Now capacity on this is 4.8 cubic feet, so you can fit a king size comforter in your sheets in one wash. But continuing on the features here, limited direct drive, 10-year warranty on the motor. One of the best motors on the market, direct drive. Most of your main brands have the direct drive motor in them now. One of my favorite features on this too is this has your smart dispense system. So this will fit up to 50 ounces of detergent. You fill this up once with your liquid Tide, and it will actually dispense the exact amount that you need. It'll kind of weigh your load and know exactly how much of that detergent to use every time. So a really cool feature. Going into the unit, you have your Power Clean system. That's a longer system here. Also has your Sanitize and Allergen Plus. Higher temperatures is gonna kind of kill a lot of those little pollen, anything that can kind of get stuck in the clothes and really get that stuff out. So then again, here's your smart dispense option there. It's got the power steam as well, so it really heats up that water super hot. Can really get those stains off the fibers of the clothes, and they get that detergent in there just to kind of penetrate that fabric. So it really works really well. On your dryer here, this is a sensor dry power steam dryer. So if you have wrinkly clothes, stuff like that, if you forget to pull them out, you can just throw it on a quick steam cycle real quick, and it will kind of go in there and get your clothes to unwrinkle, and you can actually sanitize too in that as well. Really cool set, guys. These are a great pair, and these actually are Wi-Fi enabled too, so we'll actually connect to your Wi-Fi in your house, notify your phone when your washer's done. Really cool set, and Consumer Reports, I think this one's gonna rate pretty well. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.